soundboard does inside of me.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain.
All right, Richard, get this for a second. I'm gonna grab that back up.
Let's hear it for your 2021 cheer roster, Jayla Frank, Jamie Newberry, Alexis Miller, Anna Hillman, Leah Stockenhagen, Ansa Fiansari, Willie Haggerty, Carly Learn, Maggie Wilson, Lorraine Bowie, and Olivia Frank, your 2021 Athlete Titan cheerleaders.
So are these are just the same thing, right?
Yeah, projector
Video, then we What was that? Did you hear that? It sounded like something fell.
I didn't hear a scream, so it's I think it'll be louder.
I don't think it'll be louder than Shane.
I think it'll be louder.
Not Shane.
Louder than Shane.
I'll spin back to normal. I'll put him back from me too. Yeah. Do they like doing it together?
All right.
Yeah.
I'm very excited for this moment. I just want to tell you one thing, and I know
I didn't know.
that this is going to be a successful endeavor. Last couple of weeks, I've been going to your games, seeing how hard you guys have been working on the field. It's been amazing. We have a great tradition here at Franklinville for athletics and academics. Going to the cross-country banquet, the soccer banquet, to hear about everyone's accomplishments. Next week, you have swimmers going to states. And today you have football players going to the stadium. And there's one thing that I'm amazed at, is everyone says, you know what, the first game we played against Randolph, we didn't come out on top, but we're not going to let that stop us. We're going to overcome, and we are going to succeed. Every player I talked to said that, and I know that it is going to be true. And I know that is going to be true. I've been superintendent for about 6 years, and every year I've had a sectional championship. And I know that if Franklinville is not going to let me down. So go Titans!
All right, we are here because the football players and the coaches love football. Can I hear it? That was pathetic. You love football. Right. You love football for 2-a-days. You love 2-a-days when they practice twice a day. You love football when you have conditioning. You love football when you put your helmet on and get a migraine headache. You love football. Now, let me tell you something. There are 2,000 high school varsity football players in Section 6. 2,000. And every one of them loves football. And every one of them would love to be where you are right now. 2,000. Now, as a district, we've adopted the Love Covers character curriculum. In the finals, there are 10 teams in the finals. 4 of those teams are using Love Covers character curriculum. That says a ton right there. So there's 4 pillars. Mr. Hirsch reviewed them for you. Love Covers as trust, hopes, protects, and perseveres. So here we go for tonight, men. A heart that trusts. Trust your coaches. Trust your fellow players. You all know what to do and you know how to do it. You can literally say to every player on your team, I've got you covered. Trust the officials too, they are trained professionals. A heart that hopes. Hope that you will bring your best game. Keep your mindset positive. Overcome setbacks. You've got this. A heart that protects. Protect each other. Know your assignments. Execute your game plan. Pick up each other. Pick up the opponents too, it says tons. And a heart that perseveres. Stand firm, finish from. Go Titans!
Video. Lights.
Steinbrook Academy and Franklinville Central Schools, put your hands together for your reigning Section 6 Class D champions and soon to be back-to-back champion FE Titans. We have freshman number 44, Bretton Bleacher. Number 84, Gannon Callahan. Number 74, Colin Mooney. Number 20, Billy Slavinsky. Number 19, Matthew Spittler. Number Isaac Town. Sophomores, number 11, Bo Balecki. Number 70, Hayden Callahan. Number 14, Jacob Dalkey. Number 58, Levi Jennings. Number 30, Devin Herman. Number 24, Noah Scheck. Juniors, number 56, Ben Bro. Number 76, Devin Butman. Number 72, Tyler Gibbons. Number 62, Drew Goss. Number 7, Isaac Goss. Number 33, Hayden Schreitley. Seniors, number 60, Joe Conlon. Number 26, Blake Frank. And number 99, Connor Twilliger. Titans are coached by Coach Bleacha, Coach Palmentier, Coach Tatlow, and Coach Marconi, your 2021 reigning Class D Section 6 football champions.
I don't have quite the voice that Mr. Shank does, but I'll do my best. Before we talk about these guys, I just want to talk about a couple guys that don't get the recognition they deserve, our assistant coaches. So can I have a hand for Coach Palmentier, Coach Tatlow, and Coach Marconi? And then one bit of housekeeping. When we're released, I already talked to some of you, but you're going to be the first ones released. We're going to get your lowers on, your pants and things like that. And then our bus leaves at 1:30, okay? So, all right, thank you for all your support. We've had tons of fans in the stands, which is awesome. It's really nice to look back and see, the stands are packed with people. And these guys have given you guys a lot to cheer about over the years, and they're keeping it up this year, which is awesome. Thank you, cheerleaders. You guys do a great job, even in the cold and the rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain tonight. It's going to be a little windy, but I think we're going to be in good shape. But thank you for everything you do. On Tuesday, we had press day up at the stadium. Excuse me. And one of the things that they talked about was our section, Section 6. Out of, I can't remember if there's 11 or 12 sections in the state, but we are the only section that gets to play our section championship in an NFL stadium. So, and going on to the, where you see Josh Allen run out and Diggs and all those guys, it's a big thrill for me, and I'm much older than these guys, but it's going to be awesome for these guys, whether they get on the field or not to play in the actual game. It's an awesome stadium. It's an awesome venue, and as fans going, if you've never been, try to get there. It's a great venue to watch, and just see what it's all about. It's pretty cool, and these guys have worked hard to get there. We're 7-2. We've got great kids. I talked about our great coaches over there. These guys work hard. They've been freezing the last couple of weeks. We went to Allegheny the other night, and it was bitter cold, even though you didn't think it. But once that sun goes down, these guys are chattering, but they do a great job. Whether they're JV kids that are on our scout team or our varsity starters they're busting their butt trying to improve. Because like Mr. Putnam said, we've got to overcome that first loss to these guys. All right, we did it last week against the Wolfpack. I know we can do it one more time. It's up to you guys. Let's bring it home. All right, let's bring it home. Thanks a lot. I hope to see you guys at the stadium.
Let's hear it for our Titan football players. Let's hear it for our Titan cheerleaders. Let's hear it for Lexi Dick and that amazing anthem. And lastly, and we're going to hear it one more time. Let's hear it for our high school band. Okay, this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to dismiss the teachers so they go to their classroom, so there's someone there for you. When I dismiss the students, remember you are going to your 8th period class.